I am at Flea World in London, Kentucky. Flea Land, Flea World, whichever. Anyway, yeah, I'm here. Let's go in and look. Okay, some places haven't opened yet. The opening time is 9 a.m. and it's just a few minutes before. But it feels really nice because there are heaters right in the center of these aisles. So that's very nice. Very warm. Yeah, it looks like I came a little early, but well, that's okay. We can still explore.
Yes, going to do it.
I really wish this was open because I really need a phone case. Okay, so I ended up leaving because the owner, the manager, whatever, the one who runs this place, came over the loudspeaker and said no one is allowed to record anything in the building. So I think that's completely stupid, so we won't be visiting Flea Land again. Okay, so benefit of the doubt. What reason would there be to not film in Flea Land if you're not filming the people? I don't know. That's weird to me because, I think filming and putting this out brings in more business. And I just don't understand the concept. I don't know. I mean, I know people don't want to be filmed. Some people don't. And, that's okay. And I try my best to not film people. But that just, I don't know, just no recording whatsoever in Flea Land. That's it's a bit much. I don't know. What do you think? Then again, I should have known something was up when people were pointing at me. I mean, I don't know. But just weird. Weird. Again, what do you think?